You know, I am a perfectionist, and I used to be a pharmaceutical rep. Years ago, I was a pharmaceutical rep for Abbott for 12 years, and so I called on doctors. And I don't do that anymore, but I called on doctors, and I realized, you know, very early in my career, there are good doctors, and there are really bad doctors. And I figured it out pretty quickly which doctor that I personally wanted to go see. So I found out quickly, good doctors, bad doctors. Fast forward many, many years, I had bunion surgery. And I researched bunion surgery, and I asked everybody that I knew, hey, have you had a bunion? Oh, yeah, I had bunion. Tell me about it. Oh, my God, it was the worst surgery I ever had. Really? Why is that? Well, because I was on crutches for 6 weeks. I had to crawl to the bathroom. I couldn't walk. It was so painful. It took 2 weeks or 2 months to get back to work. Did my due diligence. I found a guy out in California. He guaranteed 98% you would get back to work in 1 week with no pain. So what did I do? I went out to California, saw Dr. Moy, had my bunion taken off, and he was right. 1 week, I was back to work. Perfect. Great. So I go to the best doctor, and I know the difference in good and bad because I've done it. So when I started thinking about LASIK, and by the way, I have monovision, so I'm seeing far here, near here. And it's really cool after 32 years of wearing contact lenses to be able to see up close and far away. And my right eye is still recovering, so I'm seeing really good up close, and I'm recovering in my right eye. And it's very good, but it's still working very hard to get its legs. But feel very, very good about it. So long story short, I said, you know, I want to go to the best, and the best is Dr. Wang. And so I paid out of pocket for my procedure. I elected not to go with a blade, and I elected to pay my personal self when my insurance would have covered 80%. So Dr. Wang is the best, in my opinion. Dr. Waymeyer, his whole staff, front and back, they're all excellent. And so I put my eyes in his care, and I will say, lastly, I am an organ donor. And so when I die, whoever gets my eyes, they are one lucky person.